Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and as you know, the Windows 10 operating system has 2 years left before end of support, but it is yet roughly 70% of all PCs. It is a huge number, and of course the minimum requirements make that a certain number of PCs cannot upgrade to Windows 11, for example. Even though, yes, you can do the little tricks to have unsupported, for most people that is out of reach. Tech enthusiasts do that. Regular folks don't do that. So there's a petition that actually just showed up online. The petition is from a group that's called the Public Interest Research Group. And the petition will ask CEO of Microsoft, Satya Nadella, to reconsider ending support for Windows 10 in October of 2025. So this is the page I will share with you guys. You just fill up the form here, name, email, and your zip code, postal code, and you click Take Action. According to this group, 40% of PCs cannot upgrade to Windows 11 or later because of the minimum requirements, which means there's still 60% of PCs that apparently are capable of doing so. So if you want to try to push Microsoft into a direction, with Windows 7, there was an extension that was done at one point. With Windows XP, I think there was also. When a operating system is extremely popular, so close to the end, I think it's worth trying to have them change their mind and give a few years more of the operating system and, reduce the e-waste, all the computers that will be just discarded and thrown away because they can't run Windows anymore. So I'll leave the link to this page in the description below. You can fill out this form if you wish and ask Microsoft to keep Windows 10 a little longer. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.